Whisper Mini Portable Fan is marketed as a tiny but powerful cooling gadget that supposedly delivers strong airflow, whisper quiet performance, and all-day portable comfort. But the real question is it actually worth buying or just another overhyped mini fan? Now, to be fair, portable mini fans can genuinely be useful, especially in hot climates, crowded transport, or rooms with weak airflow. What it does well: portable fans are surprisingly practical. Many users say mini fans become daily essentials during hot weather, commuting, or power outages. Good for personal cooling. A direct breeze on your face or neck can make a noticeable comfort difference, even if it does not cool the whole room. Where the hype falls apart: it will not replace air conditioning. This is the biggest reality check. Portable fans only move air. They do not actually lower room temperature. Whisper quiet claims are often exaggerated. Many mini fans become noticeably noisy at maximum speed settings. Battery life drops heavily on high power. The strongest airflow modes usually drain batteries much faster than advertised. So, is the Whisper Mini Portable Fan worth it? Short answer: yes for personal comfort. No if you expect AC level cooling. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.